I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a website using Canva. First, log into your Canva account and navigate to the website option. You'll find hundreds of professionally designed templates ready for customization. Pick one that aligns with your vision, whether it's for a portfolio, business, or event. Canva's intuitive interface makes the initial setup incredibly straightforward, allowing you to begin building your online presence in just a few clicks. Now, let's dive into designing your site. Canva's drag-and-drop editor makes customization simple. You can easily change colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand. Add your own images or choose from Canva's vast library of millions of photos, videos, and graphics. Experiment with different layouts and elements to create a visually appealing and unique website that truly represents your vision. Next, enrich your website with compelling content and features. Add your text, ensuring it's clear and concise, and upload high-resolution images or videos. You can easily embed forms, add buttons, and link to other pages or external sites. Organize your information across different pages, like an About Us or Contact section, to provide a seamless user experience for your visitors. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Before going live, preview your website on various devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Canva offers flexible publishing options, including a free domain, purchasing a new one, or connecting an existing domain. With just one click, your website will be live and accessible to everyone. Don't forget to share your new site across your social media and email to maximize its reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.